Hello everyone. Today, we're discovering together the brand new Roborock Saros 10, the latest in robotic vacuum technology. Priced at around $1,600, this robot promises exceptional performance. In this video, we'll be doing an unboxing, exploring its design and docking station, and most importantly, we'll see how to set it up and configure it using the app. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we find the robot, its docking station, a spare dust bag, a mop, a user manual, and a power cord. The robot's dimensions, 350 379.8 mm, and the station size, 440,409,470 mm, make them quite imposing, but the design remains compact and elegant. The docking station, with its built-in reservoirs and 80 degrees Celsius mop washing system, looks like a true control center for the Saros 10. However, the box contents feel a bit limited for a device at this price point. Only one spare dust bag and one mop are included, with no detergent provided. That's a bit disappointing, especially since Roborock products are usually quite expensive. A few extra accessories would have been nice to get started properly. A closer look at the Roborock Saros 10. The Saros 10 stands out with its ultra-thin design and retractable LiDAR, a major innovation for fitting under low furniture. The Duodivide main brush, Flexi arm side brush, and Vibrorise 4.0 mop system highlight the attention to detail. With 22,000 pascals of suction power, it promises outstanding efficiency, and its 6,400 mAh battery ensures solid battery life. We can't wait to see it in action. Setting up with the Roborock app. Now, let's move on to setup via the Roborock app, and it's incredibly easy. The app guides us step by step to connect the robot to Wi-Fi and map our home.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Before you start using the Roborock Saros 10, the first crucial step is mapping your home.
Starting mapping.
And I must say, I was impressed by the speed and accuracy of this process. In just a few minutes, the robot scanned my entire apartment, creating a detailed and precise map. What's really impressive is its ability to recognize mirrors and intelligently separate rooms. The Roborock app then allows you to customize this map, name the rooms, set no-go zones, and even specify the type of floor in each room. This level of customization is incredible. App features. The Roborock app is the true brain of the Saros 10. It offers a multitude of features to customize and optimize the cleaning of your home. One of the most interesting features is Smart Plan. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the robot learns and adapts to your space, habits, and preferences to create an optimal cleaning plan. Of course, you can adjust the suction power and cleaning level, choose the rooms to clean, or create specific cleaning zones. You can also schedule cleaning times, for example when you're not home, so the robot works autonomously. And that's not all. The Saros 10 takes pictures of obstacles it encounters during its runs, allowing you to see where it had difficulties and adjust your environment accordingly. There are really a multitude of options and settings available, making the user experience very complete and customizable. We'll dive deeper into these features in the next video, during the full review. Stay tuned!